So this is what Amazon would have you believe with their Neewer bullshit brand is a proper boomstick arm material. Look at this plastic lever. This is cheap Chinese crap, and frankly, I'd throw it if I wasn't renting this house. Let me show you what real boom arm material looks like. Look at the size difference between this cheap bullshit and this. All right, this side-by-side comparison. This is real metal. Look at this thing. Look at this locking mechanism. This is actually worth money, okay? Like, this is like real stainless steel. This is cheap crap steel and bullshit plastic. I'm just kind of done buying equipment off of Amazon. I'm a professional. That's some amateur shit. Done. God. Oh, yes. Oh. Oh, oh. Oh, yes. Oh, my. Oh, look at that. Look at that. But Scotty, how do you get such sick highlights around your head? I don't know. Maybe because I got a 9-foot tall light behind me.